semendo bomobua Oka One Kenya Alliance niko bakagerego chikobwatana no bomobua Azimio la umoja ayamaga y'umubunge o matunguru gwasi uri ngani gwa sate birabuna litukolia nkiri litukolia Jumatatu niko bako chikobwatana na Jubilee na boygo na ODM aseganga yo konyara gokora emirima mu mubungo yo manya ojibo igor mu bwatani Kalonzo o manya kantabuna Steven Muleni gate birabuna okobwatana ni gojikoira magendro gokorekana nabo ni ga birabuna ogocha mu kunenchere ya moyo konyara kwa bwatani abakenya buna hoka ni go chikomera nabo igoli tukoliankyo aseganga yogo chugoetie ni go chikoirukie bandera yo mubwahoka maiga ya maiko bwatana Oka na Azimio oigo maigo tio monto yo mogo chikoirukie bandera gati ya Oka na Azimio oyogo chikoligie korogo kyobora ibwense.
We in Oka One Kenya Alliance an intent of starting negotiation with Jubilee coalition, which comprises of several small parties, and ODM are on advanced stage, and we will be availing Oka presidential candidate on Monday in Nairobi, who will proceed to the next level of the Azimio Grand Coalition for delegates and special delegates to pull together and come up with a candidate for the Grand Coalition and their running mates. I want to tell the nation that I said the other day that the move One Kenya Alliance will make, and it has already done so, is a move of forming the government of 2022. So those who thought that we are joking and we didn't know what we are doing, they are in proper guided now.